Tap slowly. And be careful. And he throws it away. And they're going to call him out. Hold everything. They just called Heyward out. And here comes Madden.
In the baseline, right?
Yep.
That's the ruling. It's going to be in the baseline. Running on the grass. You're running on the grass.
Inside the line. And Madden's going to argue. Hey, you can argue all you want. You know what?
He was right there. He stepped in.
And it wasn't by much, if anything.
It's right here. You see that right there. You're seeing his foot inside the baseline right there.
I mean, it's really hard not to if you think about it.
The base is right on that spot too. So yeah, you can't. You're gonna hit. You're not really gonna hit the middle of the bat. That's a tough call, but
it is.
Is that a reviewable call?
No.
Telling Brian, or he has to go back to second. Well, as Krugo would say, that's a gift.
It is a gift.
Looks like Madden's begging for forgiveness right there, doesn't it? Like, please, please. What can you do, really? What if you can't review it? What could possibly be?
Well, the first thing I would do if I was arguing, I'd take the hoodie off and the stocking cap off, and that would make me look more serious.
Yeah. Yeah. Coming out in an Eskimo suit. Oh.
I mean, that's really close.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know how Matt Moore could make that throw without hitting Heyward, one way or the other, whether he's in the line or not. Now, but he did take that last step in. But you're right, half of the base is in fair territory.
Now, if it doesn't hit him, do they still make the same call?
Yep. And it is out of here.